Hello, we are at the excellent El Carmen in the Dominican Republic, Punta Cana, and we are on our way to Hibachi. We are having an absolute blast so far. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you a little bit of the property, and it is just absolutely amazing here. The staff is amazing, the food's good, the beach, the island feel, on an island. It's absolutely amazing. Are you having fun?
Heck yeah, I'm having fun.
What's your favorite part? The alcohol.
Probably, yeah.
The free alcohol. We're at an all-inclusive, adult only, so no kids, which is great.
That's the best part.
that we can just relax. We're here with two of our friends, another couple, Des and Paul, so you will see them throughout the vlog. And we're on our way now to Hibachi. So stay tuned. We're going to a restaurant called Spice, and it is very hard to get into, but we managed to get reservations and get our hibachi on, so stay tuned.
Ding, ding, ding. Be careful. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened to you? Oh, yeah. Grab the right one? Uh-oh. Ding, 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 ding. That's for you.
Yeah.
Out of mouth. Ready?
Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
Oh!
Lady, that's for you. For you. Ready?
Yeah.
This is embarrassing.
Ready?
You got it, Des. You got it.
Yeah. You can do it. Let me try again. Come on. You can do it.
Come on, Paul.
All right.
For you. So high. One strike. It's the thing.
I don't know if I'm gonna
Come on, it's going on YouTube, Paul.
Okay.
Come on.
Next.
Huh?
open up.
Oh! Oh!
You can do it.
Here we are. This looks delicious. We got some chicken, steak. I don't eat fish, but Jamie's got some mahi, what you got? Some mahi and some shrimp. Is it good?
Wait. Can you please finish over there? You sit here and you come in, okay? And you wait for me because your arrow first position is too high. Okay. Come on. Only open your finger. Shoot.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow, very nice, amigo. Down. Shoot.
Woo!
Whoa.
That's my husband.
Excellent.
Giant mozzarella sticks
You know, I was hoping.
at the sports bar, where it's at. Got some flamingos here underneath the tree. Super cute. And Jamie's being a flamingo because he has flamingos on his bathing suit. Let me see one leg. They have a super cute coffee shop called Aroma with ice creams and sherbets that Jamie's modeling. Then they've got all of these coffees and pastries. And then let's look over here. This is where it's at. Oh, all of these pastries. So good. It's amazing. I'm getting a black and white. Oh, Jamie just got, what'd you get?
An Irish coffee.
An Irish coffee. Let's see how it is. Is it good? Here she's making my black and white. The black and white is espresso, milk, vanilla, ice cream, Oreo cookie, chocolate syrup, and whipped cream. Oh man. Let's see how this is. Ooh, and chocolate on top. Perfect, thank you. Look at this. A couple minutes before leaving for dinner and just relaxing out here. It is so beautiful. Absolutely love our little private pool and just so relaxing, nice and secluded, and the perfect way to relax. At the steakhouse, got the picanha, some mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables. Jamie got the strip.
You have your flashlight on.
I don't know. Got the strip, some corn, and very, very buttery potatoes. That looks good, babe. It's whack it, babe. Oh.
There we go.
This property is absolutely beautiful. Over here to the left, they have the restaurants. And then look at this, guys. It is just absolutely beautiful out here. It's a ginormous property. It really is. All the way back there is the beach and pools. And this is where we're going right now. I think it's upstairs. But so beautiful. Especially this guy.
There's Softball Paul.
In Softball Paul. Subscribe to Softball Paul, making out with his wife. Get it, get it. All right, Paul, what do you got here?
This is a banana split. But
Ooh.
they didn't have any vanilla left, so I went with the Oreo cookies and cream like your husband got.
Is it good?
It's an interesting way to do it. I've never had a banana split in a cup.
All right.
We'll let you know.
All right.
Oh.
Out at night, little rooftop bar. Can't really see the ocean, but see the pool down below. The pool's super pretty up here. Just got back to the room. Got some fake flowers on the bed for our anniversary. Where are our pillows? We're missing pillows.
They're real.
Oh, they're over there. Okay. They're real?
We're missing pillows because you keep putting them on the couch.
They were on the bed.
You keep putting them on the couch.
You're such a liar. Here we got waffles with chocolate chips and chocolate and whipped cream, mango vanilla pancakes, shrimp, scrambled eggs and toast, and then these cute little syrups. So cute.
One.
Oh, yummy water in here. Perfect.
Cheers.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Salute. Sitting here enjoying my coconut, watching the aerial yoga that we missed. Looks like it's so much fun. So fun. We're doing handcrafts. We've got Junior teaching us how to do handcrafts. What are you making?
If you need more, just tell me and I can
World's best bracelet.
Let me see it. Oh. What are you making, Des?
This was here.
Oh. How are you doing over there, Paul?
I don't know what I'm doing.
You know what you're
So
doing?
far I've made this.
Still breaking stuff.
We're at the Italian place. It's very windy. We got a turkey sandwich with French mozzarella, spinach, bow tie, margarita pizza, lasagna. Best view in the house. Jamie wearing a Red Sox hat. So good. Beautiful view. And tons and tons of food. Playing some bingo by the pool. We're not doing too well. Let's see if we win anything. We got a little anniversary banner added to our door with my husband. Yeah. And now we are on our way to the French restaurant. I'll be honest, I'm not as excited about this one. The steak place, I was really excited for. It was amazing, but the French one, I'm a picky eater, y'all. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but I'm gonna try it. We may have 2 dinners tonight and get the steak dinner after, which is at Chop. But we'll try the French, we'll see. This is the French restaurant. Very pretty interior. Very pretty. We got some filet. What you got, filet and scallops?
Yep.
Some scallops. What'd you get, Des?
Scallops and puree with carrots.
Interesting. We'll see how it is. I wasn't too big on the food, but I think the dessert at the French restaurant is going to redeem itself. This is a caramel milk. I think it's like a cheesecake. And then this is a macaroon with giant macaroon with strawberry ice cream. And this is fruit soup. That's my kind of soup with ice cream in it. We got to get her COVID tested so we can go back to the United States. All done. Our first day of rain here. We leave tomorrow. It is absolutely pouring out. The wind is howling, so I am writing a blog post for you for tomorrow. So laying in bed and writing a blog post, and then after the sun, we're going to the beach. All right, guys, it's time to say goodbye. Got the martini bar behind us. Ready to go home. Well, not ready to go home, but we have to go home. You have a good time? Favorite part?
I don't know. Beach.
Beach. I think our friend Junior that we met, Junior was awesome.
Yep.
What was the worst part?
I don't know. Fishing.
Yeah. We didn't show you guys, but we booked a charter to go DC fishing. It was too rough. We had to turn around. We all got sick. Well, everyone except for Jamie got sick, throwing up. It was not good. $250 down the drain, but yeah. All right, thanks for watching, and definitely check out the room tour.